Hey, I am Polar Pete. If you are looking for an economical and efficient payout solution, high-speed precision and stability, fast changeovers across varying reel widths, and constant tension with easy loading and unloading, Real Power has the solution. The wrong payout setup slows everything down. That is why Real Power gives you 3 light-duty payout options: rim drive, shafted drive, and shaftless drive, all designed to accommodate spool diameters of up to 24 inches. Let me break down the options for you. Choose rim drive when you want constant tension and easy handling. No heavy lifting, no complicated setup, just smooth, controlled payout that keeps your material moving. Perfect for teams that want speed, simplicity, and less strain on operators. Choose shafted when precision matters. If you are running higher speeds and need the spool perfectly centered, this is your machine. Stable, accurate, reliable. Built for consistency when your process cannot afford variation. Choose shaftless when flexibility is the priority. Fast changeovers, different reel widths, no swapping shafts. If your production changes often, this keeps you moving without downtime. Different machines, different needs. One goal: keep your line running smoothly. Real Power Light-Duty Payout Solutions, built to fit your process, not the other way around. Talk to Real Power about the right payout for your line.